Mukbang challenge. 5 pounds of whole wings. Sipping on that highlight. So you can see I really made them. No, they are not store-bought. They're frying as we speak. Today we are going to be trying whole wings in Buffalo Wild Wings, their brand, Caribbean jerk sauce, and honey barbecue, Buffalo Wild Wings, sweet with gentle heat. Next time you see us, we will be eating.
This is Nick and Sherene with the Mukbang Challenge. Buffalo Wild Wing sauce, Caribbean jerk, and honey barbecue.
Okay, alright y'all. Let's get into the Mukbang Challenge. This is something that we've been wanting to try. We see everybody out there eating, all from our own. We fried it ourselves. Only thing that we used that wasn't ours is the Buffalo Wild Wing sauce, Caribbean jerk, or honey barbecue. Let's get into it. We've got 5 wings apiece of the Caribbean jerk and 4 wings of the honey barbecue. Let's see. Oh, some fries. Trying to show you what's going on. Let's dig in. This is Caribbean jerk.
Caribbean jerk, good, really good. I'm gonna get y'all a little closer, cause babe, And this is the Caribbean jerk you're trying? Yep.
Is it spicy? Does it have like a little kick to it?
Mm-hmm. Spicy, got a little kick to it. And the jerk flavor. I like spicy.
So you like the Caribbean jerk?
I like Caribbean jerk. I like the honey barbecue too though. It's sweet, man. It's a good sweet taste to it. Good sweet taste to it.
Mukbang challenge. Delicioso. Thank you all for watching. We really appreciate it.